Hey guys, good morning from beautiful sunny Mazatlan, where it's beautiful and sunny as always. And this is like my fourth clip trying to make this freaking intro because the gas man's down there rattling cans. Somebody can buy with a noisy truck. That bloody hell. Always something. Oh. It's Mexico. Anyway, I wanted to bring you up to date on my fundraising drive to get a replacement bicycle for Andrea, Lupita's co-worker, who had her bicycle, brand new bicycle, stolen 2 weeks after she got it. And we've done it, guys. Thank you very much for your generosity and your help. My PayPal account received $220 US in donations, and the super thanks button on YouTube was used to give me 124 Canadian dollars. So that's enough to get her a bicycle, and I'll do that at the end of the month. Now, why the end of the month, you might ask? Because I'm going to buy it at Coppell. I won't see that YouTube money until around the 21st of May, and I'll just put it on my Coppell account and then pay it off in May. And what Coppell does, if I go buy the bicycle today, I have to pay for it. Well, today's the 14th. I have to pay for it on the 14th. They don't take all your items you purchase. Like I bought a coffee pot and a microwave. I bought one on the 6th, one on the 10th, and they want payments on the 6th, the 10th. If I bought a bicycle, they want a payment on the 14th. So it's just easier if you wait till the end of the month. Anyway, today, the motorcycles are supposed to gather down at Old Altas, from what I can understand from the schedule. So I'm going to go down this afternoon and check that out. And make sure you're subscribed and you hit that notification bell so you get notified when I post the video. And I see we're down to about 42% of my viewers have actually subscribed. Come on, guys, we can do better than that. Hit that subscribe button. And I got a video for you right now. Last night, Lupita making hot dogs Mexican style. Check it out. Here we go. Thank you, guys. Thanks very, very much. Lupita.
Hey.
¿Qué son su menú?
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs. ¿En la bolsa?
Sí.
¿Y can in the bolsa?
Porque no tengo aluminio.
So she cooks them right in the microwave, in the bag. The hot dog buns. Steams them, I guess. And check this out. Big Vienna sausages with cheese and bacon. Yummy. ¿Sí, Lupita?
Sí, Luis.
Huh? ¿Y para Dewey?
Para Luis no cena, entonces.
No cena. No, supper for Dewey. I had
No gusta.
mashed potatoes and gravy. ¿Sí?
Sí.
How about soda? Gravy.
Calientito y blandito. Ay,
Uy.
es caliente.
Y mayonesa. Toda la mayonesa aquí.
Sí, McCormick.
McCormick con limon. All the mayonnaise, the Mexican mayonnaise has lemon in the mayonnaise. Lime in the mayonnaise.
Sí.
Yike.
También caliente, Luis.
Caliente. And she's got fried onions,
Lili.
Mexican pickles, jalapeno pepper,
Vente, ándale ya.
guacamole, and kind of like cheese whiz in a jar.
¿Por qué? No le haces así, yo le voy a echar capitel. Así déjale.
Oh, it smells good in here. I'll tell you that. Really, muy bien, Lupita.
Ahorita le echo yo. Así déjala, por favor. ¿Por qué? Dale pues. Hay que sentarnos.
Lively.
Pau, Pau. Hola.
Mi baby?
Dale, pues.
Yeah. Hola. Ok.
No, está bien. Ahí hay guacamole, cebollita.
Provecho, Lupita.
Gracias, Dui, gracias. ¿Quieres?
No, gracias. Dice saludos, soy mi amigos en YouTube.
Hola, saludos.
Saludos.
Dui, avisa para peinarme.
Ese es el problema.
Tú dices, Lupita, yo video. Y yo.